Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewsubway.com. Welcome to my QuizTarget review. In this video here, I will give you a full demo and a full walkthrough exactly how does it work, what is the price, and how to use QuizTarget to get you free money, okay? And I also put ton of custom bonuses that I would like to get you, so how the bonus will help you out and grow your business faster. So what you need to do now, click to very first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page, look like this. Then you click to any red button here, it will take you to the sale page or the QuizTarget like here, and you can click to any yellow button here and you are good to go, okay? And this product gonna be launched in the 27th November. So by right now you watch this video, you can go ahead to click to very first link and then click down to my bonus page, click to any red button here, you can purchase the product, okay? So they have 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can ask for money back after 30 days and you keep holding my bonuses, okay? So this is the sale page. And before we go to the folder about the sale page and about the product and everything, I would like to show you my bonus, okay? My bonus that I spent a lot of time put everything together to help you succeed, okay? So if you still not click to the first link, you can click to the first link in the description of this video, and then you scroll down here, you will see my bonus, okay? This is, I spent a lot of time put everything together to help you. So this is, you see, the special bonus, okay? Let's see the bonus number one here called Video Marketing Profit Kit. So in this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to use video marketing to build your online business. Video marketing now is really important, guys. Right now you will see every business need video marketing. Even your agency or affiliate, you need video marketing, okay? So in this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to do video marketing to build your online business. And then bonus number two here, this is the new way rank number one in less than 24 hours. In this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to rank your any keyword number one on YouTube and in Google and less than 24 hours, okay? And bonus number three here, this is a case study that you see. This is 10,800 case study that I will show you how to do affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels, okay? ClickFunnels is also best way to do affiliate marketing right now as well. You see here is like money every day, okay? And then bonus number four here, this is a plugin, okay? This is a plugin called WP YouTube Leads. So this, I'm gonna show you how to use this plugin to in-game your YouTube video and increase your Gmail leads, okay? And then bonus number five here, this called SEO Keywords Mastery. So in this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to find the most profitable keyword and the honest keyword the right way, okay? And you know that if your website do good SEO, you will get ton of traffic, and you don't need to do Facebook ad much, Google ad much, you get free traffic, okay? So this one I'm gonna get you as well. This is my high quality bonus that I wanted to get you, and you post the product now, you ask it to hold my high quality bonus, okay? So to click hold my bonus here, you make sure you come to my bonus page before my countdown time here hit 0, okay? If my countdown time here hit 0, my bonus will not available for you. So okay, so you come here and you click to any red button here and you're good to go. So after you purchase the product, how will you access to my bonus, right? So after you purchase the product, you go to JV Zoom and you go to your history product you already purchased. You go down here, the little button here called Asset Affiliate Bonus. You click on there, you ask it to hold my high quality bonus that I promised to you in this video, okay? Alright, so this is my high quality bonus that I wanted to get you. And right now, let's see the sale page. You see, this is the sale page here. Create money making quizer in second with the most power and optimal quick builder for 2020, okay? And explore your option to 78% grow leads faster and make sales anyway online with QuizTarget. And this is more powerful and affordable way to build your leads 2020 guarantee. Set thousand and confusion quick builder to explore your option by up to 78%. Create your quiz that gets shared into 1,910. No monthly fees, watermark, and hiding costs and steep learning curves. And this all everything you can see in the sale page. And you see here, this is exactly this there, okay? And QuizTarget is the most profitable and the power quiz builder in the partner and increase in gaming quick funnel, and that's short size crowd leads and boost convert for any niche. Okay, this is for any niche, even you are doing software or anything. Okay, this is good for you. Alright, so this is a little bit about the QuizTarget, and right now let's see how to use QuizTarget. Okay.
Hey, Harshal Jadhav this side, and in this video we'll go over how to create interactive lead generation quizzes that skyrocket leads, boost conversions for any niche using gamified lead generation technology. Old lead generation opt-in forms, welcome mats and pop-ups don't perform well anymore. On the other hand, quizzes engage and capture audience attention and build your list much faster. So let's dive inside QuizTarget to show you how easily you can create lead generation quizzes, get more leads and get more traffic. Once you're logged into the cloud-based dashboard, you will find tons of done-for-you quizzes already made for you. You can either create quiz campaigns from scratch, you can start with a done-for-you campaign. Simply copy any done-for-you campaign and start working to save your time. For the demo, let's go ahead and create a campaign from scratch. In the first step, you need to add a campaign name and select a type of campaign you want to create. Now we have 4 types of campaigns over here. The first one is the assessment quiz, where you can test knowledge of respondents on a particular topic. Then the second one is the famous personality quizzes that people love, like which superhero are you? Third one is the score quiz, where every question will have points associated with it. Plus, you can also create poll campaigns. Let's choose assessment. Once you select it, you will be taken to a themes page where you can select the appropriate theme for your campaign. You can check all the themes from here. There are multiple theme customizations available, which we will look into shortly. Let's just go ahead and select this one, and you will be taken to a drag and drop quiz builder page. Now here all the magic happens. Here, as you can see, start quiz and first question is already added for you. You can add as many questions as you want from here. Plus, you can add multiple lead forms to generate leads at any point of time. You can add CTA forms to drive traffic or simply end the quiz using add results step using this button. To save time, I have taken a done for you quiz to explain further. As you can see, this is fully drag and drop, and you can easily control the user journeys as per their answers. In here, if someone gives an answer 1 or 2 to the first question, they will be taken to question number 2. Similarly, if they select answer number 3, they will be taken to different route in order to ask them more relevant questions and segment them in a different list altogether. You can edit this connection at any point of time. You can edit them, you can change this connection as you want. Now you can easily zoom in and zoom out to make more space for larger quizzes. Plus you can delete or add question, lead form, CTA at any point of time. Adding your questions is an easy process too. Just click on this edit button over here and you will find all the options to do so. Like you can either ask multiple choice questions or open-ended questions. You can add images, GIFs, videos, audio to your question using this section, as well as you can upload your own images. Then you can easily add or delete answer options Plus, you can switch between image and text answers very easily. Similar to questions, you can add images, GIFs to your answers using this button. Now, in this tab, you can define which answer is correct as well as enable multiple answers if necessary. Plus, you can add a particular time frame for taking any question as well as make it skippable. So you have full control over all the things. Let's jump into the lead form where the lead generation happens. Here you have 4 options available. You can either generate email list, phone number list, add to messenger list, or simply ask them to use social login to get their valid social email IDs from Facebook and Google. Now, similar to questions, you can add images, GIFs, video to your lead generation forms as well as upload your own images. Now, lead generation forms are fully GDPR compliant and all the necessary arrangements have been added to comply with GDPR rules. Now, once you set up everything and once your lead form is ready, you can connect it to your favorite autoresponder using this connect section. We support more than 24 autoresponders and webinar integrations along with Zapier on the Pro version. Now, let's check how you can change the theme settings. For that, you just need to click on this settings button over here. Here you will find all the options to edit your current theme, such as you can change how text should appear, like text font, text color, text weight. Similarly, you can change how your button should appear. Now, in this tab, you can change how question and answer screen appears. This background tab lets you change the background. You can either select color or image as a background. If you select image, you will be able to select any background image from Usign, Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, or upload your own background image. Then comes the transition effect. This is an important feature for increasing engagement of your quiz. It lets you select in and out effect for the question transitions while respondents are taking your quiz. Then the last option is branding. It lets you add your own logo to the quiz and select a position where it should appear. To make the quiz more fun and entertaining, you can add music to your quiz. You can select background music to play always, or you can select the right or wrong music from here. You can upload your own music too. Plus, QuizTarget lets you capture audiences inside FB and Google too, so you can show your ads or retarget people based on their responses or if they have completed the quiz or not. You just need to add your pixels over here and it will be added to your quiz. So once you edit and customize your quiz, you can click on this publish button to start promoting your quiz on your website or social media right away. Here you can see the final preview of the quiz you just created, and if necessary you can go back and edit the quiz till you get the results you want. Now there are multiple embed options available, such as you can embed on any page builder or your own website with a simple copy paste of a code. You can add your quiz as a pop-up, or you can add your quiz as a sticky announcement bar on top. Or you can simply get a hosted link for your quiz to share with your clients, or start sharing your quiz on social media right away. So get access to QuizTarget at earliest and start generating leads faster than ever before.
Alright guys, I hope the video is helpful, and right now let's see what is the price, right? What is the price is really important. So front end price, they have few different price, okay? For the commercial price, this is $97, okay? This is you access to everything here, and as I already show you, access to everything. And the basic, this is basic one, okay? This is $67. This is access to everything here. This is super cool. I think for the I think this software, for the value they give you for $67 for the basic plan, I think that's a good plan, a good price. Okay, and you are American, you can access to $97 here. And I have few upsell. Okay, upsell number one here. This is QuizTarget Pro, $97, and they had some discount as well, but you see it's $37. Upsell number two here. This is down for you clubs. This is $47 a quarter. you can see is how many quarter you want, and you can choose that. Option number 3 here, this is the QuizTarget agency license. So you post the product here, and you can sell this product at $97. Okay, and this is Target agency light. This is $47, and for option number 4 here, this is QuizTarget Wildball resale. And this is the Black Friday deal. Okay, the Black Friday deal is the good option for you because you know now it's Black Friday, right? You can get discount. You can see here. This is the coupon. Okay, this is coupon 30 off. Okay, 30% off. That's a good option. Day two. This is 27 off. So if you watch this video right now, you can go ahead to purchase the product because this is Black Friday, okay? And you see here, the discount, $320 discount, and a lot of more right here, okay? That's super cool, and now it's Black Friday, and it's good for you, okay? And right, guys, for the $97 or $67, you also access to hold my high quality bonus. And if you don't like the product after 30 days, you can just ask for money back and keep to hold my high quality bonus. Okay. Alright, guys, I hope this will be helpful. In this video, you get to know everything about QuizTarget. And if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Every time I upload a new video, you get notification. And right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.